Hey friends, it's fall here in Colorado, which means leaves are falling everywhere, and it's time to test out this Lazyboi leaf blower. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to put the thing together. We're going to give it a quick demo, and I'm going to give it my quick review, let you know if it's something you should pick up. Okay, so here's how our Lazyboi leaf blower arrives. Let's go ahead and unbox it, and let me show you how to put this thing together. Okay, out of the box, here are all the attachments that you're gonna get. We have the main unit. You can see the power button here on top, and on the bottom, that's where the battery slip is. We actually have two batteries that the leaf blower comes with. You can be charging one while you're using the leaf blower. Again, we have the main charger that the batteries slip into. Now, these are smaller lithium ion batteries. They're lithium ion, which means they're gonna last longer and be a little more powerful, but it doesn't look like they have a whole lot of capacity. So if you have a really large job, again, remember to keep one of these charging at all times. We also have the main blowing tubes, which we'll assemble, as well as the instruction manuals. So let's go ahead and get one of these batteries charged. Again, you'll line things up by just turning this upside down, and then that end is gonna slide into the main charging unit, just like that. We'll slide it all the way to the back there, and then we'll plug this into the wall. With the charger on the harness, you're going to see a little red light indicating the battery is not yet charged. This will shift over into a steady green once the battery is fully charged. Again, we can test how full this is using the light system on the right-hand side and on the left-hand side of the batteries by pushing down the little green button that's back here. Once I push that down, you can see things light up. This is two of the three green lights that are lit up, meaning this needs to charge up for that third light before this will turn green. So let's leave this here and we'll go back and assemble the main blower. Okay, we're gonna take our two blowing tube pieces here, and the way these assemble is this little tab right here is gonna move into this little circle piece on this end. You'll fit these two together and then just apply a little bit of pressure. That will push through until that tab pops out in the middle there. And now we have our longer blowing piece. This then will assemble the exact same way, as you can see, which is going to be on the end of the main machine here. Again, same thing, we'll just push that in until that little tab clicks out of that circle. So with the blower flipped over, the last thing we need to do is actually install a battery pack. And basically, again, you just line things up. It's going to go like this, obviously with the labeling out. And once you push it in, you can actually give it a click without hardly any pressure at all. And that is going to stay on there and allow us to turn the machine on now. Okay, so now that we have it all put together, it's time to give it some tests. We're gonna be blowing some leaves, some pine needles, as well as some wood chips to really give this thing a good, powerful test and see if it can handle that kind of yard work. Okay, the leaf blower actually has two settings. Up here, you can see the fan strength button. Now, I'm gonna go straight to the most powerful setting just so we can see what it's capable of. Remember that the more power you use, the quicker the battery is going to be used up. So let's go ahead and kick it on. It does have a little bit of noise here. Okay, there you go. That is the Lazyboi leaf blower. You can see the demo, not too bad for such a compact little machine. Now, is this gonna be a powerhouse that's available for every single job in your yard? No, I think it's a budget-friendly option. And for your small jobs, leaves, mulch, those kind of things, it actually does work pretty good. The only time I saw it struggling was when a lot of material had collected, especially pine needles for us, which we have a lot of. Once that material gets a little too heavy, it does make this thing work a little bit. Other than that, definitely a thumbs up from us. Hopefully that makes your shopping experience just a little bit easier. If it has, hit that thumbs up button. Definitely subscribe. We got a bunch more of these tool review videos coming up for you. We'll see you again on the next one.